Ever had your phone rattle loose, your light fade mid-ride, or you lock up and still feel uneasy? Today, we're fixing that, fast. In this countdown of 15 Amazon bike gadgets for beginners, you'll go from, "I hope this works" panic to, "I've got this" confidence. Stay to the end, because one pick doesn't just upgrade your bike, it can upgrade your safety story in a way most riders never expect. 1. Redcomets 10,000 mAh, Bicycle Light Plus Bike, Handlebar Extender. At number 1, the Redcomets Bike Handlebar Extender is the kind of one upgrade, 5 problems solved gadget every beginner appreciates. You're getting a 2,400 lumen USB rechargeable headlight, a sturdy handlebar extender, a phone mount, a cycling computer holder, and a built-in 10,000 mAh power bank in one clean setup. It's made from aluminum and rated IPX65 waterproof, so it's ready for commuting, weekend rides, and surprise rain. The wide 120-degree beam helps you see more of the road, and multiple light modes let you balance brightness with battery life. The real win for new riders is confidence, better visibility, a safer phone/navigation position, and emergency charging when your battery drops mid-ride. 2. WSDCAM Bike Alarm with Remote. At number 2, the WSDCAM Bike Alarm is a simple security upgrade that can save you a very expensive headache. It blasts a loud 113 decibel alarm to scare off thieves, and you can fine-tune the sensitivity so it doesn't freak out every time someone brushes past your bike. The remote control makes it easy to arm or disarm quickly, and the operating range is listed up to about 66 feet. Perfect for cafes, quick store runs, or apartment parking. It's also rated IP55 waterproof, meaning it can handle daily outdoor use without babying it. For beginners, this is peace of mind on a budget. You're less likely to skip a stop, rush errands, or constantly glance back at your bike. Set it, lock up, and ride easier. 3. ABUS Bordo 6000 Kelvin Folding Lock. At number 3, the ABUS Bordo 6000 Kelvin is the serious lock beginners eventually wish they bought first. The folding design is the magic. It packs down neatly for carrying, but unfolds into a long 120 centimeters lock that's easier to wrap around racks, posts, and awkward parking spots. ABUS pairs this style with an X+ cylinder for strong tamper resistance and a security rating positioned for medium theft risk, exactly what you want for city rides and campus stops. It's also a more beginner-friendly daily lock because it's fast to use. Open, fold out, lock, and you're done. If you're investing in a new bike, or an e-bike, this gadget protects your biggest investment without forcing you into a heavy, dangling chain every ride. 4. NDakter 5-digit combination chain lock. At number 4, the NDakter 5-digit combination chain lock is built for riders who want solid protection without carrying keys. The 5-digit combo gives you far more possible combinations than a typical 4-digit lock, and the chain style offers flexible locking angles around racks and poles. That flexibility matters for beginners, because real-world parking is messy, odd posts, thick rails, crowded bike areas, so a lock that reaches makes your routine easier. The fabric sleeve helps reduce scratches on your frame, while also cutting down on rattling noise when you move the lock around. If you're commuting, running errands, or locking up in shared spaces, this is a practical everyday security pick. Easy to use, tough enough to deter opportunistic theft, and convenient when you don't want to manage extra keys. 5. Quad Lockout Front Pro Bike. Phone mount. At number 5, the Quad Lockout Front Pro is for riders who use their phone for navigation and don't want cheap mount anxiety. It uses a patented dual-stage locking system designed to keep your phone secure over bumps, curbs, and rough pavement, while still letting you attach and remove quickly when you stop. The rigid aluminum arm gives you a clean, centered viewing angle, great for maps, fitness apps, and ride tracking, without blocking your controls. It also supports common bar sizes, like 31.8 mm, 25.4 mm, and 22 mm, so it works on many beginner bikes right away. The reason it's a great beginner gadget is simple: fewer distractions. Your screen stays stable, your hands stay on the bars, and your ride stays safer. 6. Hafny Bar End Bike Mirror. At number 6, the Hafny Bar End Mirror is one of the smartest safety upgrades you can add in minutes. The stainless steel lens is designed to be durable and unbreakable compared to glass mirrors, and the larger viewing surface makes it easier to spot cars, cyclists, or scooters coming from behind, without constantly twisting your neck. It's adjustable, so you can dial in the exact angle for road bikes, mountain bikes, e-bikes, or hybrids. For beginners, a mirror changes the entire riding experience. You ride straighter, signal more confidently, and make cleaner lane moves because you actually know what's happening behind you. It's also a comfort upgrade. Less shoulder checking means less wobble, less stress, and a more relaxed posture over long rides. 7. Fanttik X9 ACE Mini Electric Bike Pump. At number 7, the Fanttik X9 ACE Mini Electric Bike Pump is the "Why didn't I buy this sooner?" tool for beginners. It's compact, rechargeable, and designed specifically for cycling with a listed max pressure of 150 psi, so it can handle everything from chunky MTB tires to high-pressure road tires. It shows pressure in real time and automatically stops when it reaches your preset target, which is a massive confidence boost if you're new to tire pressure and don't want to guess. It also supports both Presta and Schrader by converting the nozzle, so you're covered across different bikes. The value here is consistency. Correct pressure means fewer flats, smoother rolling, better control in corners, and less wasted energy. It's small enough to bring along, but powerful enough to feel like a true upgrade. 8. AstroAI Digital Tire Pressure Gauge. At number 8, the AstroAI Digital Tire Pressure Gauge is a tiny gadget that quietly improves every ride. It reads in 0.1 psi increments and supports multiple units, up to a 0 to 150 psi range, so you can get accurate pressure whether you ride road, mountain, or even share tools with a car at home. The backlit LCD and illuminated nozzle make it easy to use early mornings or night rides when garage lighting is terrible. Beginners often overinflate or underinflate because it feels fine, but tire pressure directly affects grip, comfort, speed, and puncture resistance. This gauge removes the guesswork and helps you repeat the same setup every time, especially helpful if you're experimenting with pressure for different terrain. It's one of the cheapest ways to make your bike feel faster, safer, and more predictable. 9. Topeak TriBag Frame Bike Bag. At number 9, the Topeak TriBag is a classic top tube bag that makes beginners feel instantly more prepared. It mounts on the top tube for easy access while riding, so essentials like snacks, keys, a small multi-tool, or a spare tube aren't buried in a backpack. The listing highlights a padded main compartment plus 2 side pockets, giving you organized storage without a bulky look. This is exactly the kind of small convenience upgrade that improves real rides. Fewer stops to dig for items, less sweaty back from carrying gear, and a cleaner cockpit because your pockets aren't overloaded. It's also a great starter bag because it teaches good habits. Carry the basics, keep weight centered, and stay focused on the road. For commuting or long weekend rides, it's simple, reliable, and always useful. 10. Victoper USB Rechargeable Bike Light Set. At number 10, the Victoper Bike Light Set is a beginner's visibility upgrade that pays off immediately. The front and rear lights offer multiple modes, 6 up front and 4 in the rear, so you can choose steady beams for dark paths or flashing modes for traffic-heavy streets. The listing also calls out a power display, which is huge, because nothing's worse than a light dying mid-ride. Built with an aluminum alloy body and rated IPX4 waterproof, it's designed to handle real commuting conditions, not just perfect weather. For new riders, lights aren't optional. They're confidence. You're easier for drivers to spot. You can see hazards sooner, and you'll be more willing to ride early mornings or evenings. It's a simple accessory that expands when you can ride, where you can ride, and how safe you feel doing it. 11. CYCPLUS GPS Bike Computer M3 Plus Bike Mount. At number 11, the CYCPLUS M3 GPS Bike Computer is a modern beginner tool for tracking rides without draining your phone battery. The product highlights fast GPS positioning and support for major satellite systems, plus a large 2.8-inch screen with auto backlight, so your data stays readable in bright sun and low light. This is perfect for beginners who want speed, distance, and ride time at a glance, but don't want to mount their phone in the rain or risk a crash destroying it. The mount keeps your setup clean and centered, and once you start tracking consistently, you'll actually see progress. Faster average speed, longer distances, steadier pacing. It turns casual rides into measurable improvement, without the complexity of pro-level cycling computers. If your goal is ride more and get better, a GPS computer is the simplest way to stay motivated and informed. 12. Sena R2 Road Cycling Smart Bluetooth Helmet. At number 12, the Sena R2 is a smart cycling helmet that upgrades both safety and communication for beginners riding with friends. It features built-in speakers and a microphone, Bluetooth intercom for up to 4 riders, and smartphone pairing for music, GPS prompts, and calls, so you can stay connected without juggling earbuds. The listing also highlights an integrated LED taillight, helping you stay more visible from behind, especially at dawn or dusk. For new riders, the big benefit is confidence in group rides. You can warn each other about potholes, cars, turns, and pace changes in real time, which reduces surprises and makes riding smoother. It's also a comfort play. No extra wires, no clip-on comm units, and no ear-blocking buds. If you're learning road etiquette or riding in traffic, this helmet helps you stay aware and coordinated. 13. Bern Hudson MIPS Adult Bike Helmet. At number 13, the Bern Hudson MIPS is built for modern commuting, especially if you ride fast on an e-bike or scooter. The listing calls out protection rated up to 27 miles per hour impacts, and MIPS technology to help reduce rotational forces in angled crashes. It's also designed for daily comfort with ventilation, 13 vents, and an adjustable fit system, so you can dial it in quickly before every ride. A standout beginner feature is the snap-in rear LED light with multiple modes and USB recharge, giving you built-in visibility without remembering an extra accessory. It even mentions reinforced rear vents that allow U-lock compatibility. Smart for city riders who want to secure both bike and helmet. This helmet is a buy once, ride for years upgrade. Safer at higher speeds, clean commuter style, and packed with practical details beginners actually use. 14. Wahoo TRACKR Radar Tail Light for Cycling. At number 14, the Wahoo TRACKR radar is the kind of safety tech that changes how you ride on roads with traffic. It combines a rear tail light with radar that detects approaching vehicles and sends alerts through compatible systems like Wahoo's ecosystem, helping you stay aware without constantly shoulder checking. The product description emphasizes real-time vehicle detection, adaptive lighting, and seamless integration with Wahoo ELEMNT computers and the Wahoo app, so it's designed to feel natural, not distracting. For beginners, radar is a confidence booster. You get earlier warning, hold a steadier line, and make calmer decisions about when to move over or when to stay put. It's also a visibility tool. Your rear light is doing its job while the radar watches your back. If you ride suburban roads, commute in traffic, or train near cars, this is a premium gadget that earns its place fast. 15. Garmin Varia RCT715 Radar Plus Camera Plus Tail Light. At number 15, the Garmin Varia RCT715 is the ultimate smart rear guard for cyclists who want awareness and proof. It combines rear-view radar, a bright tail light, and a built-in camera that records continuously and automatically saves footage if it detects an incident. The listing notes sharp video at 1080p/30 fps, with an option to drop to 720p for longer battery life, plus radar detection of vehicles approaching from behind up to 140 meters, with alerts through compatible Garmin devices or the Varia app on your phone. It even includes a 16GB SD card, so you're ready to roll out of the box. For beginners riding near traffic, this is peace of mind on 2 levels. You're warned sooner, and you have video if something goes wrong. It's a premium upgrade, but it's also one of the most confidence-building safety gadgets you can mount. And that's our 15 must-have Amazon bike gadgets for beginners. Built to make every ride safer, smoother, and way more confident. Whether you're upgrading your visibility, locking down your bike, or keeping your essentials within reach, the right gear makes all the difference. If you found a favorite, tell us which one you'd grab first. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more smart cycling finds, and hit the bell so you never miss the next list.